on a road section. It's just after stage 11 now. This man was having a wonderful event. It's Adrien Fourmaux making his way rapidly through stage 11. He's hit something in the front left. They've broken a steering arm. They've taken out a drive shaft to try and repair that. They're working very, very hard on this car. Limited time before they get into stage 12. Let's see whether they can resolve this problem and continue on for the rest of the day.
We moved the bolt for the steering arm. Engine side is bent, so I cannot remove the bolt. So I'm struggling to change the steering arm. Okay, so I will try. I'll continue.
They've managed to repair the problems with that steering arm. Drive shafts come out, so that will clearly hamper them, but the most important thing is they get through the next two stages. The spare parts that they took out, the tools, as you can see, all going in to the back of the car. Now this is really encouraging stuff. I have to say they've worked incredibly hard. Adrien's got a fair old sweat on. This is why they need to be fit, you know, these occasions. It's not just physical driving the car. When they have these moments, physically it's demanding, it's really tough, but by the looks of things, I reckon he's fairly confident we're going to get this car through the next stage. Keep our fingers crossed. Whoa.